Who were the key witnesses in the Henri van Breda trial? When it comes to the Henri van Breda trial, the question of who the key witnesses were is essential to understanding this complex case. The trial revolved around the tragic murders of 3 family members, and several individuals played critical roles in the courtroom. First and foremost, Henri van Breda himself was a central figure. As the accused, he took the stand to share his version of events from that fateful night. He claimed to have lost consciousness for over 2 hours after witnessing the attack on his family. This claim became a focal point during cross-examination, where his testimony faced intense scrutiny. The timeline he provided and his actions immediately after the incident were questioned, highlighting inconsistencies that the prosecution aimed to exploit. Next, forensic experts from the South African Police Service contributed significantly to the trial. These specialists analyzed the crime scene and provided detailed insights into blood spatter patterns. Their findings were crucial in reconstructing the sequence of events, helping the court understand the nature of the attack. The forensic evidence often served to either support or challenge Ari's account, making their testimony vital to the case. Additionally, the defense called upon lay witnesses to bolster Ari's narrative. These individuals were expected to provide testimony that could challenge the prosecution's version of events. Their cross-examination was intense, reflecting the high stakes involved in this high-profile trial. The defense aimed to present alternative explanations that could raise reasonable doubt about Ari's guilt. While not witnesses in the traditional sense, the state prosecutor and detectives also played a significant role. They were responsible for presenting evidence and questioning witnesses, including Henri van Breda. Their work helped to build the prosecution's case, arguing that Henri was responsible for the murders. In summary, the key witnesses in the Henri van Breda trial included the accused himself, forensic experts specializing in blood spatter analysis, and lay witnesses brought by the defense. Each of these individuals contributed to the complex web of evidence that was scrutinized throughout the trial, showcasing the challenges typical in high-profile true crime cases.